In this video, I'm going to show you how to use NovaClick on Axiom the new way. So first things first, you will need an Axiom account, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. Now, the first thing you want to do if you want to use NovaClick here in Axiom is go to this link over here, which is click.tradeonnova.io, and then you want to click download for Chrome over here. Then after this, you'll be located or directed to the Chrome Web Store, where you'll have to press add to Chrome over here. For me, it just says remove from Chrome because I have it installed already. And once you do this, you'll be able to click add to Chrome, and your Nova extension will be added to your Chrome browser. Now, once you've done this, you can simply just basically close down this, and then you will be able to click connect Telegram over here. Now, once you press on connect Telegram, it will direct you to this page, where you'll be able to click either Start Bot in case you have your Telegram installed as an app on your computer, or you'll be able to open it in web if you want to use the web version like me. By the way, there will be a wait list once you join in, so if you want to skip the wait list and start trading right away, there's a link down below. It's my referral link. You will also get some bonuses and skip your wait list, so make sure you click on that if you want to get instant access. So after this over here, you want to click Open in Web or Start Bot, as I said. And then in here, it will take you over to the bot inside Telegram, where you'll have to hover over this part over here and then click on Start. After that, if it asks you for a code, you can use my referral code, as I said, and then you want to go into Settings over here and then click NovaClick. And make sure Use Panel Settings is enabled over here, so make sure it's green and not red. If it's red like this, click on it and make it green. So that's pretty much the first thing you have to do. After this, you want to go to Axiom, and then inside Axiom, you want to click up here, top right, where you can see this puzzle icon, and you can see the Nova extension. You then want to click on the spin button if you want to for easier access, because it will always stay up top over here, and you'll be able to click it anytime. And you'll just simply have to click on it, and then where it says disabled, you want to click on this power on button to enable it, which will refresh the Axiom website. And now after this, you can have all the different presets for sell and buy amounts over here. You can customize these as you wish, and you can simply just go to polls over here, for example, and just find a random coin. So I will just click on one. So let's say I'm gonna click on, I don't know, let's say this one, and then you can see as at this moment, there's no Nova extension, and if this happens to you, so you can't really see the panel, you want to click over here on the extension and press Enable Nova Panel, and just like this, you'll be able to see it, and then you can start using your NovaClick on Axiom. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.